Buckle up for a seismic shift in the EV world. Leaks from Elon Musk and Tesla insiders reveal that the much-anticipated Model 2 is nearly set to electrify the market. Priced under $25,000 and boasting a camouflaged prototype spotted outside Tesla Texas. With revolutionary production techniques underway at Giga Texas, Giga Mexico, and Giga Shanghai, every clue points to a launch that could redefine affordable electric driving. Are you ready to see if Tesla's bold new contender will deliver the innovation and quality the world has been waiting for? How real is the hyped-up design and power of the Tesla Model 2? A fire involving 4 Tesla Cybertrucks in Seattle has drawn major attention, while the cause remains unclear. Concerns about possible arson have risen amid recent Tesla protests. Regardless of the fire's origin, we must wait for an official response from the relevant authorities. But looking at the charred remains, the vehicle frames, and scattered debris at the scene raises concerns about Tesla's design and manufacturing strategy for the upcoming Model 2. What potential safety improvements could Tesla implement following this incident to learn from it and enhance the safety of future Tesla models, particularly the Tesla Model 2? Additionally, how do lithium-ion batteries contribute to the risk of electric vehicle fires? Could the focus on cost reduction lead to trade-offs that compromise Model 2 safety features? However, with over a decade of experience in the U.S. electric vehicle industry, we believe Tesla has gained valuable insights and is applying them to ensure the quality and durability of the Model 2. Up to this point, numerous reports and speculations have surrounded the design of the Tesla Model 2. However, a camouflaged prototype, believed by analysts to be the highly anticipated Model 2, was spotted outside Giga Texas. Based on that latest evidence, we confidently believe that the Model 2 is being developed as a culmination of Tesla's most advanced technologies to date. Firstly, Tesla will launch the affordable Model 2 in 2025, benefiting from quality improvements seen in the upgraded Model S and Model X. The key advantage of Tesla's upcoming budget-friendly model is that it combines on-quality compared to existing vehicles, according to Chief Engineer Lars Moravi. Tesla has achieved a well-balanced design ahead of the 2025 launch, ensuring that the Model 2 will be no worse than other models in Tesla's lineup, despite its significantly lower price. The most difficult part of doing that is not making the cars worse, so I promise that they won't be a massive step down from the cars we sell today, said Moravi. Recently, he confirmed that Tesla is focused on enhancing the quality of the Model 2 ahead of its launch later this year. He emphasized that the new model will definitely be well-loved and encourage people to take the time to explore it rather than judge it through a subjective lens. One potentially controversial move could be the removal of the instrument cluster, replaced by a larger central display. This design follows in the footsteps of the Tesla Model 3, the first Tesla to completely eliminate the traditional gauge cluster behind the steering wheel. Instead, it relies solely on a 15-inch touchscreen to display all driving information, including speed, navigation, and autopilot status. This approach is intended to reduce costs, embrace a minimalist aesthetic, and serve as a stepping stone toward Tesla's vision of full self-driving capability. Similarly, with nearly 75% of its components shared with the Model 3, including its interior design, the 2025 Tesla Model Y also eliminates the instrument cluster, relying on a 15-inch central touchscreen to display all essential driving data. The Tesla Cybertruck takes this minimalist approach even further, featuring a single 18.5-inch touchscreen as the sole interface for driving information, completely removing physical buttons and traditional controls. While some drivers may appreciate this shift toward a more futuristic and streamlined design, it remains a controversial decision. The removal of the traditional instrument cluster could impact the driving experience, especially for those accustomed to having essential information displayed directly in their line of sight. From a technological standpoint, this approach aligns with the evolution of smart and autonomous electric vehicles, as Tesla continues to refine its full self-driving system. The driver's role may gradually shift from active control to passive supervision, making the traditional instrument cluster less essential. The real question isn't just about removing the gauge cluster, it's whether Tesla's technology has advanced enough to make this transition more practical and justifiable than ever. We also anticipate the addition of customizable ambient lighting with RGB control, similar to what we've seen in the refreshed Cybertruck, Model 3, and Model Y. Furthermore, Tesla might introduce even bigger innovations, such as switching to a 48-volt low-voltage electrical architecture. This change could pave the way for advanced features, including steer-by-wire technology. Steer-by-wire is an impressive technology featured in the Cybertruck, which recently won an engineering award in an electric vehicle. This system makes steering far more intuitive by eliminating the need for excessive wheel rotation. It also enables highly responsive handling, making it particularly beneficial for navigating tight city streets and confined spaces. Secondly, in terms of design, the most affordable Tesla Model 2 is expected to resemble a smaller version of the Model Y. Initial assessments suggest that the Model 2 could be a slightly upgraded version of the Model Y Juniper, but with a significantly smaller battery. When Tesla's chief designer, Franz von Holzhausen, stated that rumors about the cancellation of Tesla's most affordable Model 2 were greatly exaggerated, he wasn't joking. This model is expected to feature a more compact design, with characteristics of a hatchback to reduce production costs and enhance practicality. The removal of the front trunk is also being considered to simplify the structure and further cut costs. Based on the images we received, the vehicle believed to be the Tesla Model 2 features a compact and modern exterior design. Although it is covered in a black protective wrap, its key design elements remain noticeable compared to the Model Y. The Model 2 appears shorter and lower, aligning with the compact EV segment aimed at urban drivers. The aerodynamic design features a sleek body with smooth, rounded lines, similar to the Tesla Model Y, but in a more compact form. With the current design, the estimated drag coefficient is expected to be comparable to that of the Model Y, around 0.23. This helps reduce energy consumption and improve overall efficiency. Like other Tesla models, the Model 2 also features a panoramic glass roof, creating a spacious feel inside the cabin. Despite its smaller size, it retains Tesla's signature design language with a minimalist front end and a grille-less design. The intelligent LED headlights automatically adjust brightness based on ambient lighting conditions, optimizing visibility while conserving energy. As for the LED taillights, they showcase a modern design that seamlessly aligns with Tesla's futuristic aesthetic. While Tesla has been focusing on unveiling the two-seater Cybercab, built using only a fraction of the Model Y's components, Elon Musk has repeatedly confirmed in quarterly investor meetings that a new, more affordable model is still on track for a 2025 release. The launch of the Cybercab, expected to be priced under $30,000, appears to be just the first step in reassuring consumers about Tesla's commitment to affordable EVs. However, the Model 2 is likely to be priced even lower, thanks to the valuable lessons learned from the Cybercab's development and production. This could set the stage for a major breakthrough for Tesla this year. How did Tesla prove that the Model 2 is real? Tesla's boldest innovation for the Model 2 lies in the deployment of its Optimus humanoid robots. Elon Musk has confirmed that thousands of Optimus units will be operating in gigafactories by 2025, handling repetitive tasks like battery assembly and component installation, with an annual operating cost of under $20,000 compared to over $50,000 per human worker. These robots could cut labor costs by up to 40% during the final assembly stage by reallocating human employees to quality control and engineering roles. Tesla aims to boost production output while maintaining precision, a critical factor for a vehicle with a projected sales target of 5 million units per year. The integration of Optimus also addresses logistical challenges at Giga Mexico, where labor shortages have delayed construction progress. With robots capable of operating 24/7, Tesla can accelerate production despite workforce limitations in the region. This automation effort extends to Tesla's Chinese suppliers, who are setting up satellite factories near Giga Mexico to minimize delays in delivering critical components, such as seating and infotainment systems. In Texas, evidence from a recent drone flyover not only revealed a prototype of the Model 2, but also provided the most concrete proof yet of Tesla's production developments at its Texas Gigafactory. The footage showed new production lines nearing launch and the expansion of the paint shop, which is now almost complete. While these upgrades could be intended for the upcoming Model Y Juniper 2026, some may also be linked to trial production of the more affordable Tesla Model 2. In reality, Tesla has little reason to keep the Model Y under wraps, especially now that the Juniper upgrade has been announced. The only remaining mystery is the high-performance version, which is expected to debut later this year. Once Tesla launches the Model Y Juniper and ramps up its production, the company will have more flexibility to shift its focus toward manufacturing the Model 2. As a result, the unveiling of Tesla's most affordable vehicle could take place as early as the second quarter or the third quarter. The goal would then be to scale up production in time for the crucial holiday quarter, when Tesla could significantly boost its sales with the long-awaited Model 2. Tesla's Model 2 production strategy revolves around a trifactor network spanning Giga Texas, Giga Mexico, and Giga Shanghai, with each facility optimized for regional market demands. Initial production will take place at Giga Texas, where Tesla is replicating its Cybertruck development model by manufacturing components from the smallest units up. This approach allows Tesla to refine its domestic production process before scaling internationally. Recently, Nuevo León Governor Samuel Garcia confirmed that Tesla and its suppliers will invest $15 billion into Giga Mexico, triple the initial $5 billion estimate. This facility is projected to produce 2 million Model 2 units annually by early 2026, focusing on high-volume output for the North American market. Meanwhile, Giga Shanghai will cater to Asia and Europe, leveraging lower labor costs and an established supply chain to enhance cost efficiency. Tesla's decision to prioritize early production in Texas aligns with its long-standing expertise in vertical integration. By placing engineering teams alongside production lines, Tesla can rapidly troubleshoot issues. Elon Musk has emphasized that Model 2 production will incorporate revolutionary manufacturing technology designed to cut costs by 50% compared to existing platforms, although the full implementation of the unboxed assembly method has been delayed. Moreover, Tesla's existing infrastructure, including the expansion of 16 supercharger stations across New York, Georgia, and California, ensures that its charging network is well equipped to support the Model 2 rollout. With price number range of $25,000 to $30,000, the Tesla Model 2 undercuts competitors like the Chevrolet Bolt and Nissan Leaf, while retaining Tesla's signature technology. Chief engineer Lars Moravi has assured that the Model 2 will be no worse than Tesla's premium models, dismissing concerns about compromised quality to cut costs. Leaked specifications suggest a range of 250 to 300 miles, powered by Tesla's next-generation 4680 battery cells, which offer higher energy density and lower production costs. The Model 2 will also feature Tesla's Hardware 4.0, the company's latest autonomous driving suite, though full self-driving capabilities may require a subscription upgrade. Tesla's ability to maintain quality at this price point stems from platform sharing with the Model 3 and Model Y. By utilizing existing architectures, Tesla avoids the need to reinvent core components, significantly reducing R&D costs. For example, the Model 2's drivetrain and battery modules will share production lines with the Model Y in Shanghai, achieving economies of scale. This strategy contrasts with traditional automakers, who often develop standalone platforms for affordable EVs, leading to higher per-unit costs. Why does Tesla insist on launching the model as soon as possible? Tesla, the undisputed leader in the EV market, is facing one of the toughest challenges in its history. Sales are plummeting, customer loyalty is waning, and global opposition to the brand is at an all-time high. In Europe, Tesla's market share is shrinking rapidly. January sales dropped by 45% year over year, while competitors surged by more than 37%. Countries like Norway, Denmark, and Sweden, which were once strongholds for Tesla, have seen sales declines of over 40%. Meanwhile, in China, a crucial market for Tesla, sales of locally produced vehicles fell by nearly 50% in February, reaching their lowest point since August 2022. In the US, protesters are taking to the streets, and Tesla dealerships are being repeatedly vandalized. Even supercharger stations are under attack. The message is clear: Tesla is in trouble. At the heart of Tesla's struggles is an undeniable factor: Elon Musk's increasing entanglement in politics. While Musk has built Tesla into an industry titan, his recent political presence has alienated a significant portion of the company's customer base. The latest survey revealed that 59% of UK EV buyers would avoid Tesla specifically because of Musk. Meanwhile, public perception of Chinese EV brands has improved, with 61% of current EV owners and 56% of potential buyers open to purchasing from China instead. This sentiment is taking a tangible toll. Fleet managers report that Tesla's presence in corporate fleets is stagnating or declining, and frustrated Tesla owners are even resorting to removing the Tesla logo from their vehicles to avoid vandalism. Musk's polarizing influence is now threatening the very company he built, and Tesla is paying the price. Amid this turmoil, the Tesla Model 2 is seen as a lifeline. Tesla is accelerating the launch of the Model 2, its most affordable EV yet. This move is not just a business decision, it is a survival strategy. Officially confirmed in Tesla's latest earnings call, the Model 2 is expected to hit the market by June 2025 with a starting price of under $30,000. This vehicle represents a critical opportunity for Tesla to win back lost customers and compete in a market increasingly dominated by Chinese automakers. For months, rumors swirled that Tesla had abandoned the Model 2 in favor of higher-end vehicles like the Model 3 Model Y, and the self-driving cybercab project. However, the latest announcement confirms that the Model 2 is very much alive, and it may be the most stylish and powerful compact EV in its price range. If Tesla hopes to reclaim its position as the dominant force in EV, the Model 2 must deliver on its promise with the launch now imminent. One critical question remains: is the Model 2 enough to turn Tesla's fortunes around? Only time will tell. But one thing is certain: Tesla's future hangs in the balance. In the end, we understand that some people today disagree with Elon Musk's involvement in politics, but outright dismissing him might be somewhat unfair. As Tesla gears up to unleash the Model 2, the race to democratize electric mobility is heating up. This launch isn't just about a new model, it's about transforming the future of transportation. Now, we want to hear from you. Do you believe the Model 2 will be the game changer that electrifies the industry, or does it fall short of the hype? Join the conversation, share your views, and subscribe for the latest updates as we follow Tesla's groundbreaking journey into a new era of EV innovation.